What's going on, guys? My name is Alex, and today we're going to go over my 5 favorite traffic streams for brand new affiliate marketers. Definitely leave a like and subscribe if this sounds interesting to you, and stay to the end because number 5 is my absolute favorite traffic stream, and it's helped grow my business to multiple $1,000s a month, and I know it can help you as well. So congratulations, you finally learned about the power of affiliate marketing. Being able to sell other people's already proven products and earn a percentage of each sale is amazing. But just like a lot of new affiliate marketers, you're struggling to find effective ways to get consistent traffic to your offer. Don't worry, we've all been there, including myself. So without further ado, let's take a look at some of my 5 favorite traffic streams for brand new affiliate marketers. Alrighty, so my 5 favorite traffic streams for brand new affiliate marketers. This is actually what has helped grow my business tremendously, and you're going to learn exactly step by step some of my favorite streams. So let's go into the first one here, TikTok. So it goes without saying, TikTok is the probably number one free social media website that you can actually grow your following with as a complete beginner. So let's kind of go into the pros and then the pros and cons, and then I will review kind of the technique and strategy you need to kind of grow consistently on TikTok. So it goes without saying, it's easy to scale on TikTok. Why? Because the content is very fast paced. It's less than a minute, so people are going to be scrolling all day long, and your content's bound to reach people. There's a 90-day watch cycle. So what that means is once you post a TikTok, that TikTok is up and good for about 90 days. So it can blow up within 90 days. It's in the algorithm for about 90 days. And that's honestly amazing, especially for a social media website that's based on having short and quick videos. So 90 days is a long time. The virality. So I actually have 3 TikToks with over 1 million views. One of them actually with 2.1 or 2.3 million views, depending on when you're watching this video. And you're able to do that because all it takes is for the right amount of people to see it and to scale and grow over time. So the way the TikTok algorithm works is that it'll send out your videos to a small batch of people. And depending on how those individuals interact with your content, it will scale and grow. So if they're liking, sharing, commenting, and interacting with it positively, it's going to grow and scale some more. It's easy video formatting, so you don't need a lot of work. People think they need a high 4K camera or a brand new iPhone or Android to record high quality videos. It's not as complicated as a lot of people like to assume. You really just need to post consistently, and I'll get into that a little bit later on, but it's just about easy video formatting. You just take your phone, record something interesting and engaging. Little to no experience required. When I got started with 0. So a lot of people think to do affiliate marketing you need this huge following, but I actually started with 0, and I'm gonna give you some tips on how I scaled to over 100,000 in my first month, and I'm currently at 135,000 depending on when you're watching this video. So there's various ways to scale and grow through TikTok. So you don't need to post only 1 or 2 types of videos. You can post a variety of videos related to your niche that can help you grow. So it's great because you can target different people with different interests. So some cons, it's inconsistent views. So you can actually see in this photo right now, I have some videos with over 1,000 views and some videos with 400. Now, since it's a 90-day cycle, so those videos that with like 400 or 500 will eventually get to the 1,000, 2,000 mark, but the views can be inconsistent, right? Because not everyone's going to always interact with your video positively in the first batch, and there's techniques to help make it a little bit more consistent, but for the most part you're going to have inconsistent views, and that's completely fine and normal. Another con is that you have to upload multiple times a day. So you really want to be out and about within the algorithm. If you're only uploading 1 video a day, it's not going to really positively help you, because TikTok needs to see multiple videos coming from you to kind of push you to the algorithm. So it's going to take some time to post multiple videos a day. Now they are only 20-30 second videos a minute at most. So it's not a lot to edit down and record a video, but you're going to have to post maybe 2 to 4 times a day consistently, each and every day. So some of my tips real quick that I can go into how I grew so quickly is 1, posting consistently and posting about 4 to 5 times a day, honestly. 2 is you want to post engaging content. I don't care what your niche is. If you're not giving people a reason to watch your video to the end, they're not going to stay and watch, and the algorithm is not going to favor you opposed to someone else. So depending on your niche, whatever it may be, make sure the content is engaging and informational. Provide some kind of value so that person or that individual that watches your video for the first time can leave a like and follow you, so you can help scale and grow. Last but not least, use things like relative hashtags and popular sounds and trends. So there's hashtags that you can use, and you can see each and every single, like, how popular each hashtag is. I would recommend 4 hashtags, 2 broad hashtags and 2 narrowed down hashtags. So for example, if I'm doing bodybuilding and that's my, this type of stuff I upload, I'm going to use 2 kind of niches that are broad. So bodybuilding and working out. And then I'm going to use 2 specific niches. So if in that video I did a deadlifting exercise or a squat or bench press exercise, I'm going to use those specific hashtags. So 2 broad, 2 narrow, and kind of switch up your type of content that you post. To kind of see what sticks, what people are wanting to watch. Make sure you use the viral songs, because that helps grow your content, because those are the songs that are trending and people are liking and listening. And yeah, so it's just about consistency and growing. So TikTok is what's really helped me. I only use social media. TikTok's my main social media platform that I've used to kind of grow as a beginner. So TikTok is number 1. Alrighty, so traffic source number 2 is without a doubt Facebook. So Facebook, very similar to TikTok, has a grand and wide group of people you can actually target, which is great. So let's get into the pros and cons. So Facebook, just like TikTok, is free and organic. You have free and organic traffic, which is great. As a beginner, you don't want to have to pay for ads. You don't have to pay, to get traffic. You can get it for free with Facebook. Also, another pro is that you get personal one-on-one connection. So this is really great because Facebook has another level that TikTok can't really reach, and that's you can have personal one-on-one connection, and this builds trust factor. When you're doing affiliate marketing, one of the biggest and most important things that you want to develop is the trust factor. Having a Facebook group, as you can see here, that I have, allows you to actually message people one-on-one. So anyone that has any doubts or concerns, you can actually message them and answer their questions. And those type of people are the ones that are more likely to make a purchase on your behalf, especially as a new beginner, because you don't have, a social media branding. You're not really prominent on social media yet. Building that one-on-one connection can help grow your brand. And you can have multiple network streams through affiliate marketing with Facebook. So for example, I can promote one type of product and then also have a back-end product that I can use to my Facebook group. The important part about Facebook groups, though, to consider is that you're not using it as another means to just promote. You're really using it to build trust factor, and that's the last pro right there. Trust factor is important. You want to answer questions, post helpful and engaging content, and interact daily. And as we, kind of segue into the cons, that's also a downside to Facebook groups. It's very time consuming, right? You need to be active with your Facebook group every single day, and that's answering questions, posting content that can help your members. It's high maintenance because you want to have each and every week be an engaging week to consistently grow. But it's worth it, though. I want you guys to understand that this is all a very effective and a really useful method. So as you can see here, Flow Affiliates is the affiliate group that I currently own. I'm not as consistent as I would like to, but I'm telling you guys, I've earned a couple hundred from this alone. And then, and last but not least, it requires some kind of moderate to some kind of medium experience when it comes to affiliate marketing. So you can use it as a beginner, but it takes time to kind of grow, and you have a lot of experiences to learn. And I give this a difficulty rating of medium. But Facebook groups are awesome, guys. You can really utilize this to grow your brand, grow connections, and network with other individuals to potentially help offer certain programs that can help them and also pay you as well. Traffic source number 3 is Discord. So Discord has its easy to use software and just user interface, just like Facebook. And kind of like TikTok, but Discord is even that much simpler. Discord is another messaging platform where you can actually use text chat and also use voice chat as well to have that one-on-one organic connection with people. So as a beginner, you're really trying to grow your brand, and this is why Discord is very effective and very useful, because you can have a group of people. You can tell people, whether that be through your YouTube or TikTok, hey, if you want more one-on-one help and more training or answering questions, feel free to join my Discord. And there you're going to have a large list of leads of potential people with an interest that want to engage with your potential offer. They just need to have their questions answered. Discord's great because you can have one-on-one connections, one-on-one training, and you can even just post helpful content in your Discord to keep people engaged and interested in your offer, which is just great. But let's get into some of the cons. Very similar to Facebook groups. It's time consuming, high maintenance, and moderate experience is required. So what I mean by moderate experience, you kind of want to have an understanding of the item that you want to market to people, and you have to have a good understanding of how to market it to people. You don't want to just spam your offer in your Discord chat, because people are not going to engage with that. They need to be help first, right? You want to provide some form of help, whether that be answering questions, referring to certain forums or pages to help answer questions, make a YouTube video showing people techniques and strategies, anything to provide value first. And once you provide value, people will be more likely to engage with your offer. So that's why I recommend you have some kind of moderate experience with how to market. Don't just go in there and start spamming links all about, because no one's going to be interested in that offer. But Discord, very similar to Facebook groups, easy to use, and you can do it as an invite only basis, so you can kind of get more targeted leads that way and grow your following that way, and earn higher commissions that way as well. So Discord. Alrighty, so you made it to number 4, which is YouTube. That makes me know that you're really interested in affiliate marketing and growing your traffic source. So definitely like and subscribe if you've gotten this far, and comment down below with any more questions, and let's get into it. YouTube is my 4th favorite, or 4th, one of the most important, actually, I should say, traffic streams for brand new affiliate marketers. Let's get into the pros. So it has a long video lifespan. So once you upload a YouTube video, it's going to be on the internet for years. I know people that have uploaded YouTube videos 2-3 years from now and are still earning revenue and reoccurring affiliate commissions through that YouTube video they uploaded years ago. So it's great. So the next pro is that it has high engagement reach. So you can post a YouTube video, and over the next few months or weeks or whatever, or even years, you can reach a lot of people. I'm talking about 10, 20, 30,000, 40,000 people. Now, as a beginner, obviously you're going to take time to grow a YouTube channel. It's not just going to come overnight, but the potential is very high. Very strong sale opportunity, and the reason for that is when you're doing YouTube videos, and the strategy you want to follow is you want to do tutorials, reviews, kind of explain whatever your affiliate offer is. And once you have that kind of understanding and explanation, people are more likely to make a purchase. Why? Because now that they know what they're getting themselves into, now that they know what you're offering in more detail, which a YouTube video is great at doing, they'll be more likely, more receptive to your offer. So YouTube is very great, strong sale opportunity, because you describe, explain. For example, if I'm doing a course or if I'm doing a product, I can do a review on that course or product, and people now have an understanding of what that is and are more likely to make a purchase, rather than you just telling them, hey, go buy this or go buy that. They don't really know what it is. So a YouTube video can explain that, and it has a very long lifespan. So some of the cons, as I mentioned, it takes a while to grow a YouTube channel. If you're posting helpful content, it's, you can grow a little quicker than others, but it's going to take some time. It's high maintenance. You want to be able to upload 2 to 3 YouTube videos a week. I would recommend to kind of get into algorithm as a beginner, but once you're there, you can kind of, pick and choose when you decide to upload a little bit more. But as a beginner, you want to, kind of post consistently multiple times a week, and it's a long growth period. So like I said, it's going to take some time to grow. But YouTube is very effective. It's very, very, very helpful to people that are brand new and are looking for traffic sources, because you're uploading free content on YouTube. And as a bonus, once you reach the YouTube partner program requirements, you can actually get monetized and make money off of just uploading videos anyway. Alrighty, so last but not least, the number 1 most effective way to grow your affiliate marketing business from 0 to thousands a month, like me, is with email marketing. Email marketing is the number 1 method. I don't care what you're doing. Every successful affiliate marketer has a strong email marketing sequence, and I'm going to show you why it's very important, how you can actually get your own email sequence with the right software. So let's get into the pros. High converting. Guys, it doesn't matter how great your offer is, chances are people are not going to buy it on the first go around. So email marketing basically allows you to follow up with potential leads by sending them emails. How does this work? It works with a sales funnel or a landing page. When someone goes on your offer, they're going to go through a sales funnel, right? So this is basically a 2-step website. On the first page of your website is going to have the email capture page, and this just has a pop-up that asks your potential offer or lead to put their name and email in, so you can retarget them later if they don't decide to make a purchase. Then the next page has your actual offer. So email marketing is effective, because if we take a look at my website, I follow that exact strategy, and it's allowed me to convert to thousands per month. It's automatic. Email marketing is very great because it's once you set it up, right? You spend maybe a day or two setting it up. Once it's set up, it does the work for you. It works in the background. You only have to make small tweaks here and there, but for the most part, when it's up and running and effective, it does all the work for you, and that's great because automation equals to more money. It allows you to, like I had mentioned, allows you to retarget potential customers. So chances are, if someone goes on your offer and they're interested, but they say maybe next time, or they're busy and they say I'm gonna go next time, but you don't have a strong email marketing to retarget them, they're gonna forget and move on to the next potential offer, or someone else is gonna capture their attention with another offer similar to yours and actually get the sale, and not you. So email marketing is effective, guys. I can't stress that enough. Long attention period, so they can go 2-3 weeks without having to see your offer. But if you're following up with email, it takes one email for them to go back, look at your offer, and make that purchase, and it does the work for you. Essentially, once you put the work in, it does the work for you. So this picture might look a little confusing for those that don't know, but this is the back office of my email marketing software, Builderall, that I personally use, and I recommend you all get started with. This right here, you don't see the whole entire email list, but there's an email list of 70 emails that I personally have, and each email helps build and engage with my potential audience member or my potential lead, and I'm sending them one email a day, kind of reminding them and encourage them to take up my offer without sounding too spammy and like, hey, buy my offer now. But here are some of the cons. So to be successful with email marketing, you need the right copywriting skills. Copywriting is just another phrase or term we like to use that just basically means ad writing skills that allow you to write helpful ads that can help persuade someone to make a purchase. And also, email marketing, chances are, is not free. You have to buy a software, a monthly software. There's some that are really expensive, some that are not too expensive, but I'm gonna recommend you guys one that I personally use that's helped change my business for the better. And it requires a lot of testing. At the beginning stages of an email marketing sequence, you're going to need to do a lot of testing. You want to make sure your emails are sending correctly. You want to make sure the emails are effective. And that's going to require a lot of testing in the beginning stages. But once you get past that stage, it does the work for you, and it's very, very effective. I gave this a difficulty rating of medium to hard because it takes a little bit to learn, and it's a skill that takes time to grow. But once you learn the skill of email marketing, it can change your business for the better. And that leads me to end off with saying, Builderall is the software that I use to host my sales funnel and my email marketing. It's the all-in-one tool. It's $69 a month, and that's a steal. For other offers, you're not gonna get the same email marketing software like Builderall. It gives you also a domain, a professional email. You get a lot of great offers with Builderall, and it's the one I personally use. It's allowed me to earn thousands a month with the right email sequence. So with the first link in the description, you can actually get signed up with Builderall. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at alextheaffiliateofficial@gmail.com. I can answer any of your questions. I do a tutorial, actually. You can see me doing a step-by-step tutorial of how to create your own sales funnel and email marketing with Builderall, a 1-hour tutorial on my YouTube channel, so you can also check that video as well. And this has been my 5 favorite traffic streams for brand new affiliate marketers. If you have any questions or have any issues, leave them in the comments or email me. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and let me know the next video you want me to upload. And see you guys all next time.